Well, my name is Wayne Crowe and I want to welcome you to the Traffic Domination channel. I'm excited to have you here, and Traffic Domination is all about everything online. It doesn't matter whether you're here to learn about traffic, whether you're here to learn about brand new methods to make money online, or maybe you want to increase your skills. Doesn't matter what level you're at, whether this is your first day online, maybe you're trying to make that first commission online, or you're a seasoned pro and you've been online for many years. We have tons and tons of things for you. Just check out all the videos on this channel. Now, I am the CEO, I'm the owner of a number of online businesses. I'm the owner of Traffic Domination. I'm the owner of possibly the biggest solo ad provider on the planet. And I want to share with you some results that my students, some of the people inside our groups, inside Traffic Domination are getting. So I'm going to switch to my screen and show you the results that a lot of people are getting, so you can see that everything we teach is for real. We want to help you make more commissions online. So as you can see on my screen, this is what we call our daily commission tag. Every single day we tag someone inside the group that has made commissions with our system. So if I click see more, you can see these are all the people in just one day that we've paid out commissions to, just like you. You can see there's tons and tons and tons of people. This is a different day. You can see in one day we pay out thousands, if not tens of thousands in dollars commissions to people just like you, whether you're brand new or you've been online for a while. You can see it's June the 18th. Every day we do this. Now, if you'd like to see your name on this list, just like all these people each and every day, you can click the link below and get access to my mega funnel. The mega funnel is a funnel I've built on top of our OSLP system. Now, if you're not sure what that is, don't worry, click the link below this video, go through the mega funnel. Now, if you want to order traffic, if you're here for solo ads, below that there is a link for solo ads, and I'm going to show you all the results of my solo ad clients in a few moments. Now, one thing you must do right now is subscribe to this channel and make sure you click the bell icon and get all notifications from us, because we release some really in-depth videos showing people how they can go zero to internet marketer to making their first commissions in double time. We go live fairly regularly, and we give you hints, tips and tricks on how to get traffic to pretty much any offer, as well as giving you the affiliate offers that you should promote. This is quite simply the best channel online to earn money from home, working from your computer. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you, as you can see, I'm still scrolling through all these commissions, and you remember, get access to that down below by the mega funnel. But I'm going to show you the results people are getting with my solo ads at the same time. So I'm going to go to a couple of Facebook groups and show you exactly what results people are getting. So this is a Facebook group where people leave their testimonials. Okay, so you can see 33% opt-in, 1 sale. You can see this guy got sales. You can see here he got 3 sales, 7 sales from 100 clicks. So you can see the type of traffic that I deliver. Most people will get sales, so you can see how awesome this traffic really is that I deliver. Now, if you're looking for other traffic methods, again, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and you make sure you join our Facebook group as well, which is just below that. So you can join our mega funnel, get access to my mega funnel that leads into the OSLP system that gives you all those commissions. You can grab some solo ad traffic from me, or you can join my Facebook group with over 100,000 people inside. And this is our Traffic Dominators Facebook group. You can see people are posting their results, posting their certificates, everything they've got, but most importantly of all, people are posting their earnings they're getting with the system that we provide free of charge inside this group. $1,600, $700, $20,000. You could see there's absolutely tons and tons of testimonials inside the Traffic Dominators group. So make sure you join that today. Make sure you check out our entire channel, because there's tons and tons of video on there. And I'm looking forward to seeing you and introducing you into the Traffic Dominators group, seeing you on the mega funnel, and here's a commission for the mega funnel, and look forward to you placing an order with our solo ad traffic. See you in the future videos.